Welcome to this guide on Azure Synapse Git integration, where we will walk you through the process of integrating Azure Synapse with Git for version control and collaboration. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Git is a version control system that helps you track changes to your code and collaborate with others. Integrating Azure Synapse with Git enables you to manage and track changes to your Synapse workspace, including SQL scripts, data pipelines, and other artifacts. To get started, you need to link your Azure Synapse workspace to a Git repository. This can be done by navigating to the Azure Synapse Studio, clicking on the Manage tab, and selecting Git configuration. You can then choose from a range of Git providers, including Azure DevOps, GitHub, and GitLab. Once you have linked your Synapse workspace to a Git repository, you can start using Git to manage and track changes to your workspace. This includes checking out code, making changes, and checking in those changes. You can also use Git to collaborate with others by creating branches and pulling requests. One of the key benefits of using Git with Azure Synapse is version control. With Git, you can track changes to your code and revert back to previous versions if needed. This is particularly useful in a collaborative environment, where multiple users may be making changes to the same codebase. Another benefit of using Git with Azure Synapse is automated deployment. By integrating your Synapse workspace with a continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline, you can automate the deployment of changes to your Synapse workspace. This ensures that your Synapse workspace is always up to date and reflects the latest changes. Best practices for using Git with Azure Synapse include using branches to manage different versions of your code, creating pull requests to review and validate changes, and using Git commit messages to track changes and provide context. In conclusion, integrating Azure Synapse with Git provides a range of benefits, including version control, collaboration, and automated deployment. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start using Git with Azure Synapse to manage and track changes to your Synapse workspace. Remember to use branches, create pull requests, and use Git commit messages to track changes and provide context. With Git and Azure Synapse, you can streamline your analytics workflow and improve collaboration with your team.